So let's just see the next example, that is example number 2, and it says that the sides of a triangular plot are actually in the ratio 3:5:7 and its perimeter is 300 meters. So we have to find its area. So let us suppose if I'm taking the triangular plot as nothing but of this form. Let us suppose this is my triangular plot, as this is just the same case as that we have taken the triangular garden. So this says that the sides of a triangular plot are in the ratio 3:5:7. So they are actually in the ratio. So let us suppose if I'm taking it as A, if I'm taking it as B, if I'm taking it as C. So let the sides of the triangular plot be 3x, 5x and 7x. So first of all, we have to remove them into, rather than taking them into the ratio formation, we have to take them in the general one. So let us suppose if I am taking it as 3x, 5x and 7x. As let us suppose if I am taking this as 3x, I am taking this as 5x and I am taking this as nothing but 7x. So actually I have taken the value A as nothing but 3x, I am taking B as 5x and I am taking C as nothing but 7x. Now, as we wanted to find out the area of this particular triangular plot, so in order to find it, first of all, we have to calculate the value of x. So as we can see over here, the perimeter of this triangular plot is given to us, which is 300 meter. So according to the question, the perimeter is nothing but 300 meter, and we know that the perimeter means the sum of all the sides of a triangle. So if perimeter is 300 meter, it implies that sum of all the sides of a triangle is equal to 300 meter. So let's just plug in all the values over here. So it means AB plus of BC plus of CA is 300. So let's just substitute the value of ABC in here. So we have AB as nothing but 3x, BC as nothing but 5x, and further we have 7x, which is equal to 300. So this would be nothing but 3x plus 12x, which is equal to 300, and further 15x is equal to 300. So we have x is equal to 300 divided by 15. 15 into 2 is 30, and hence the value of x that we are getting is nothing but 20. So let's just plug in these values into the equation number 1. Let us suppose if I am taking it as 1, I am taking it as 2. So substitute 2 in 1. So let us suppose if we are substituting 2 in 1, so we'll get the value of A, which is 3x. This would be 3 into 20, hence the answer is 60. So it means A is nothing but 60 meters, because the unit for the semi-perimeters is meter, so hence the side is 60 meter. So this means this is nothing but 60. This is nothing but 60. Further, if I'll add or substitute the value x as 20 over here, this would be nothing but 100. And further, if I'll substitute the value x as 20 over here, this would be nothing but 7 into 20, that is 140. This would be 140. So let us suppose B was 7x. Plug in the value of 20 over here. This would be 100 meters. Further, we have C, which is equal to 7x. This would be 7 into 20, which is 140 meters. So we do have calculated the values of A, B and C over here. Let's just calculate the value of S. So we know that the value of S is nothing but is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. Plug in all the values over here. A is nothing but 60, B is nothing but 100 and 140 divided by 2. So this would be nothing but is equal to 100. We have 200, means 300 divided by 2. So this would be nothing but 2 into 1 is 2, 2 into 5 and 0. So the semi-perimeter is nothing but 150. So the value of S coming out to be is equal to 150. Let's just plug in all the values in the Heron's formula. So by the Heron's formula, the area of the triangle is nothing but is equal to square root of S minus A, S minus B and S minus of C. Now let's just plug in all the values over here. So this would be nothing but is equal to square root of S. The value of S is nothing but 150. Further we have 150 minus of 60. Further we have 150 minus of 100. And further we have 150 minus of 140. So let's just sort it out the value. We have 150, 150. Further we have the value as nothing but this would be 90. Further we have 50 and further we have this as nothing but 10. So as we can see over here, we have the values as 15 into 9 into 5. So let us suppose if I am taking 10 out of it as 15 into 9 into 5 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. So as you can see over here, we have taken the 10 out of it as well. So we have the pairs 10 into 10, 10 into 10 is 10, means we can take the 100 out of it. So this would be nothing but 100, and furthermore we have the values as 15, we can write it as 5 into 3. Further we have 9, we can write it as 3 into 3. We have 5. Further we have 5. So it means we can take 5 and 5, 1 5 common out of it. We can take 1 3 common out of it. Means we can take 5 into 3, that is 15 common out of it. So we can take 1500 common out of it, and the only element which is left under the square root is nothing but 3. So at the end, the area of the triangle using the Heron's formula, the area of this particular triangular plot is coming out to be is equal to 1500 root 3 meter square. So this is nothing but the answer for this particular question using the Heron's formula. So I hope all the steps related to this particular question is all clear to you.